Many Android smartphones fall behind the iPhone. What many users complain about is the endurance and performance, but there are a few tricks that will help your phone perform better. First, let me show you how to improve battery life on your Android smartphone. Turn off automatic screen brightness or adaptive brightness. Also set the brightness level to less than 50%. The brighter the screen, the more battery energy it consumes. As this option will be in different menus on various Android smartphones, you just have to go to settings and look for brightness. Once found, turn it off. Use adaptive battery optimization. This feature focuses on learning how you use your phone. It tracks what application you use and when. Then the system optimizes apps according to the collected data. Some Android phones have a dedicated battery section in the settings app, but there are some brands, say Samsung, that hides these settings. So it will be a bit different on various Android smartphones. Another way to increase battery life and help save your eyes is to use Android's special dark mode. Any Android phone running Android 10 or higher will have a dedicated dark mode option. The dark mode not only reduces eye strain caused by the smartphone display but also increases the battery life. The reason is that the operating system consumes less power to display a dark background on OLED displays than a white background. To enable dark mode, open settings and look for dark mode, dark theme or even night mode as Samsung likes to call it. I highly recommend you to use dark mode all the time. Now let me show you how to make Android smartphone run more smoothly. First, free home screen from too many apps. To make your phone's home screen free of many applications and games, press and hold an empty area on the home screen and tap settings. Find the option add icon to home screen or add new apps to home screen and turn it off. Once done, no more app icons will appear on home screen. When you need them, you can add shortcuts by dragging an app icon from the app tray. Set up Do Not Disturb to help you focus better. Androids offer a Do Not Disturb mode that keeps your phone more or less silent during certain hours. To activate it, go to Settings, Sound or Notifications, then look for Do Not Disturb or something similar. If you can't find it, search using the built-in search function in the settings. Using this function, you can set the clock range when you want to turn off the ring sound. You can even make exceptions, but you can still get calls from selected contacts or repeat calls. Turn on the Find My Device feature on Android. You can even set up what someone who finds a lost or stolen Android phone will see after you lock it with Find My Device. Of course, the main purpose of this feature is to make it possible to track Android smartphones when lost or stolen. Open settings, then search for Find My Device. It's usually located in the security section. If you have a Samsung device, you can use the Samsung Find My Mobile service. You can find it under settings, biometric and security, and Find My Mobile. Once it's enabled, you can go to android.com/find from any PC or mobile device and sign into your account. Samsung users can visit findmymobile.samsung.com to find their lost phone. When your phone is stolen and it's on and connected to the net, you will be able to see its location on a map. From there, you can make it ring, lock it, and send a note on the lock screen to tell whoever has it how to get it back to you. Lastly, you can delete all the data. Always keep your phone up to date. As strange as it may seem, bugs and other issues slowing down your Android device can potentially be fixed with a simple software update. Before downloading and installing the latest software update, make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. For this, open settings and type update. You will then see software update or system update. Download the software, wait a few minutes and install it when it's ready. Your Android device will reboot and install the latest available software update. Always update your phone to the latest software version to avoid bugs and other issues that slow down your phone. If you find this video useful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Take care and stay safe and I will see you in the next one.